Hey y'all, today I'm going to be working on my big purple journal. This is the one that I want to take the signature out of because I want to change some of the pages. And you won't see the pages that I'm changing because I have glued them together to cover them up. And I'm going to be replacing them with some Artie Mays and Tailor Made Journals digital papers that I've already cut down. By the way, these papers, these script papers are from my porch prints, and I will still be using these in this journal because I really like these, and I'm not going to throw them away. They're just double the thickness now. So, oh, and as well, this music paper, which I absolutely love, is so fragile. It's really fragile, especially on the edges. I'm going to cut it down to fit into this journal. I have music paper in here, but I want to change it to this that I found after I had already put this together. So I think what I'm going to do to try to strengthen the paper is I'm going to try some clear gesso, and I'm going to put one coat on to start and see how it acts. But I think I'm going to try to use some clear gesso before I even try to cut it down because I don't want to shred this. So I'm doing that, and I'm going to cut the signature out. So this was bound with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch where you start in the center on the inside, and then you go through either the top or the bottom, but you go through and you come all the way across and go back through and out and then back through the center and tie in the center. Okay. And the way that you're going to do this is you're just going to cut these 2 loops back here. Okay. And then you're going to open it back up to the center. Pull on your center knot. Pull it through. And then pull this string through. Okay. And now your signature's loose. You're not ripping and tearing and trying to figure out how to get that knot cut out and things like that. So now I can take these pages out that I don't want in here, add the new pages, and sew it back in. Okay? Thanks for watching, y'all. Hope this helps.